Here is your full rewritten script. More than 200 words, more than 1 minute, no headings, fully refined and rephrased. The Atlas Nest docking system is transforming the way airports approach safety and security by introducing a highly advanced drone-based monitoring network. Imagine an airport environment where drones are not just tools, but active guardians in the sky, constantly observing, scanning, and responding to anything that might threaten smooth operations. This system creates that reality. Atlas Nest works as a central station where drones can automatically charge, undergo maintenance checks, and prepare for deployment without requiring manual intervention. This allows them to stay ready at all times, ensuring uninterrupted aerial support around the airport perimeter and within critical zones. With this innovative setup, drones become a powerful extension of airport security teams. They can monitor large areas far faster than ground patrols, stream real-time video back to command centers, and provide instant situational awareness during emergencies. Whether it is identifying unauthorized activity, surveying runways for hazards, or assisting emergency responders in locating an incident, their rapid mobility makes them an invaluable asset. This level of automation not only increases efficiency, but also reduces human risk in high-sensitivity zones. Atlas Nest represents the future of aviation safety, where intelligent drone systems work continuously to strengthen airport operations. By combining proactive surveillance, automated support, and rapid response capabilities, it sets a new standard for securing the skies and ensuring a more reliable and adaptive safety infrastructure for airports worldwide. Got it. Here's your IBM 3D chip stacking script fully rephrased, over 200 words, and written naturally so it can be read in over a minute. IBM is taking a bold step forward in the world of computing with a breakthrough that could redefine how chips are made and keep Moore's Law alive. In collaboration with Tokyo Electron, IBM Research has introduced a completely new approach to 3D chip stacking, a method that allows multiple layers of silicon to be stacked efficiently, creating more powerful and compact processors. This innovation is not just theoretical. It has been successfully implemented on 300mm silicon wafers, marking the first time this technology has been applied at such a large scale anywhere in the world. Traditionally, stacking chips involves creating vertical connections between layers of silicon, called through-silicon vias, or TSVs. These layers are incredibly thin, often less than 100 microns, which makes the manufacturing process highly complex and prone to errors. IBM and Tokyo Electron's new technique overcomes these challenges by using lasers in a way that is essentially invisible to the silicon. This allows for more precise alignment and connection of the layers without damaging the delicate wafers. By simplifying this previously intricate process, this new method opens the door to faster, more efficient chips that can meet the ever-growing demands of modern computing. It represents a major leap forward for semiconductor technology, promising higher performance, reduced power consumption, and the continuation of Moore's Law into the future. With this achievement, IBM is setting the stage for a new era of advanced computing that could transform everything from everyday devices to the most sophisticated data centers. If you want, I can also make an even more voiceover-friendly version that naturally flows when spoken and hits over a minute without sounding stiff. Proxima Fusion is on a groundbreaking mission to unlock the incredible power of nuclear fusion, the same energy source that fuels our sun. Based in Germany and emerging from the world-renowned Max Planck Institute, this innovative company is developing stellarator-based fusion reactors, a highly advanced design that promises greater stability and efficiency compared to traditional fusion methods. By using cutting-edge simulations, AI-driven optimization, and next-generation superconducting magnets, Proxima Fusion is working tirelessly to make clean and virtually limitless fusion energy a reality. Their approach could drastically change the global energy landscape, providing a safe, sustainable, and nearly infinite source of power for generations to come. Unlike conventional energy sources, fusion produces no harmful emissions and relies on abundant fuel, making it one of the most promising solutions to the world's growing energy demands. The technology being developed by Proxima Fusion has the potential to revolutionize not only electricity generation, but also industries, transportation, and even space exploration. offering a future where humanity can thrive without compromising the planet. By overcoming the immense scientific and engineering challenges, Proxima Fusion is positioning itself at the forefront of the energy revolution, bringing humanity closer than ever to a world powered by the same forces that light up the stars. Their work represents hope, innovation, and the promise of a truly sustainable future, reshaping how we think about energy and the possibilities it can unlock. If you want, I can also rephrase Robot 1X in the same style so the narration flows continuously for over a minute. Do you want me to do that? Here is your complete script. Edible and biodegradable food packaging is rapidly becoming one of the most innovative solutions in the global effort to reduce environmental harm caused by traditional plastic materials. Today, scientists and companies around the world are developing packaging that not only protects food effectively, but also disappears naturally or can even be eaten after use. Imagine opening a product and knowing that its wrapper is made from ingredients like starch, proteins, seaweed, or plant fibers, materials that return to the earth without leaving behind pollution. This new generation of packaging includes everything from thin edible films to containers formed from mushrooms, palm leaves, beeswax, and other natural resources. In many places, edible cutlery made from grains and cornstarch-based polymers is offering a meaningful alternative to single-use plastic spoons, forks, and plates. Algae-based materials are showing how renewable resources can transform the packaging industry with solutions that are strong, safe, and fully biodegradable. These technologies are not just concepts, they are being tested and adopted to reduce waste and support a more sustainable future. As the world demands greener choices, edible and biodegradable packaging stands at the front of environmental innovation. It represents a powerful shift toward responsible consumption, where the products we use every day work in harmony with nature. This exciting movement brings us closer to a future where convenience and sustainability coexist, and where packaging itself becomes a natural part of the ecosystem rather than a long-term burden on the planet. The Jetson 1 is a groundbreaking electric aerial vehicle that is changing the way we think about personal flight. Unlike traditional aircraft, it doesn't require a pilot's license, making the experience of flying accessible to almost anyone who dreams of soaring through the skies. Powered by 8 high-performance motors and equipped with 8 precision propellers, the Jetson 1 is engineered for both stability and control, allowing pilots, whether beginners or experienced enthusiasts, to navigate the air with confidence. Its intuitive flight computer simplifies complex maneuvers, making the process of taking off, hovering, and landing incredibly straightforward. Safety is a top priority, which is why the Jetson 1 comes with a race car-inspired safety seat, ensuring the pilot is secure during flight, and an auto-land feature that can bring the vehicle safely back to the ground in any situation. Additionally, its redundant systems mean that even if one motor fails, the Jetson 1 can continue flying without interruption, offering reliability and peace of mind. This combination of cutting-edge technology, innovative design, and user-friendly controls allows anyone to enjoy the thrill of flight in a way that was previously reserved only for trained pilots. To expand its capabilities, the Jetson 1 also offers the Copter Pack, which enhances its performance and versatility, providing an even more immersive and exciting flying experience. By embracing the Jetson 1, users are joining the forefront of the electric aviation revolution, experiencing freedom, exhilaration, and the sheer joy of flying like never before. The CV90 Armadillo, developed by BAE Systems Hägglunds, is a highly versatile and robust armored vehicle designed to perform a wide variety of roles on the modern battlefield. It is engineered to carry soldiers safely while providing a mobile platform for command and control, allowing leaders to coordinate operations directly from the field. Beyond troop transport, it is capable of delivering critical supplies, rescuing injured personnel, and even assisting in the recovery of other vehicles, making it an invaluable asset in complex operations. Its design emphasizes flexibility, enabling it to quickly reconfigure for different missions depending on the requirements at hand. Crew safety is a top priority, with heavy armor protection that shields against multiple types of threats, ranging from small arms fire to more substantial explosive attacks. The CV90 Armadillo is powered by a robust Scania D16 engine, which allows it to navigate difficult terrain with ease, maintaining mobility even in challenging environments. Certain models are additionally equipped with a mounted machine gun, providing extra firepower when needed. BAE Systems continues to enhance the vehicle, exploring upgrades that include advanced sensors, automated defensive systems, and integration with small drones to improve situational awareness and operational efficiency. Overall, the CV90 Armadillo stands out as a highly adaptable, well-protected, and mission-ready platform capable of fulfilling numerous critical roles for modern military forces, ensuring both effectiveness and survivability in demanding combat scenarios. If you want, I can also make it sound more like a natural narration for a voiceover that flows smoothly for over a minute. Do you want me to do that? Klein Vision's Aircar is a groundbreaking innovation that is redefining the way we think about personal transportation. This extraordinary vehicle, designed by Stephen Klein, combines the convenience of a road car with the freedom of flight, creating a true flying car experience. Incredibly, the Aircar can transform from a standard road vehicle into a fully functional aircraft in less than 3 minutes, making the transition between driving and flying seamless and practical for everyday use. Its operation is made remarkably simple by an advanced flight computer, allowing even novice pilots to take to the skies with confidence. The system is designed so that the left hand controls altitude while the right hand manages direction, ensuring intuitive and safe flight control. Safety is at the forefront of its design. The Aircar features a safety cell inspired by high-performance race cars, which provides protection for its occupants. It also has continuous flight capabilities even if one of the motors fails, an automatic landing system, and multiple emergency safety mechanisms to handle unexpected situations. The vehicle is currently in development, and its second-generation prototype has already completed successful tethered flight tests. Officially certified as an aircraft in January 2022, the Aircar promises to revolutionize personal travel. It offers exciting possibilities for leisure trips, self-piloted journeys, and even commercial taxi services. With this innovative flying car, Klein Vision is bringing the dream of personal flight closer to reality than ever before, making the skies accessible and safe for everyone. This version is fully rephrased, over 200 words, and structured for smooth narration suitable for a 1+ minute voiceover. Got it. Here's a fully rephrased version of your script in over 200 words that will comfortably take more than a minute to read aloud. Having a swimming pool in your backyard is something many people dream of, offering a perfect place to relax, unwind, and have fun with family and friends. But the one downside of owning a pool is the constant cleaning it requires, a chore that is often tedious, time-consuming, and messy. That's where Aper's Seagull Pro Pool Robot steps in to completely transform pool maintenance. This isn't just any pool cleaner. It's a sophisticated, smart machine designed to tackle the dirty work automatically, giving pool owners more time to enjoy their water rather than scrubbing it. Unlike earlier models that could only clean the bottom, the Seagull Pro can climb walls and scrub every inch of your pool, ensuring no debris, dirt, or algae is left behind. The Seagull Pro represents a major upgrade from previous versions, including the Seagull SC, offering far greater capacity and efficiency. It can handle pools up to 3,200 square feet, which is nearly 4 times larger than the older SE model, and it can work independently for up to 3 hours on a single charge. Its intelligent navigation allows it to move seamlessly across floors and walls, making sure the pool is cleaned thoroughly and evenly. Just as robot vacuums revolutionized home cleaning, the Seagull Pro brings a new level of convenience to pool maintenance, fully automating a chore that used to take hours of manual effort. With this advanced robot, keeping a sparkling, hygienic pool is no longer a burden. It's a glimpse into how technology is making everyday life easier, allowing homeowners to enjoy the benefits of a clean, inviting pool without lifting a finger. If you want, I can also make an even punchier, more dynamic version suitable for a video voiceover that flows naturally and keeps viewers engaged. Do you want me to do that next? Absolutely. Here's your script fully rephrased and expanded to over 200 words, suitable for a narration of more than a minute. Imagine a future where traveling to space begins not with traditional rockets shooting off the ground, but with enormous airships floating silently high above the Earth. Instead of relying on explosive fuel launches and polluting emissions, these futuristic vehicles offer a much cleaner, safer, and more efficient way to reach the edge of space. Companies like JP Aerospace are leading this revolutionary approach, developing solar-powered airships that can ascend to altitudes of around 55 kilometers. From that height, they can carry smaller rockets or essential cargo to a dark sky station, launching into orbit from a much thinner atmosphere. This method promises to drastically reduce costs while minimizing the environmental footprint of space travel. NASA is also exploring similar airship concepts, envisioning missions not only to Earth's orbit, but even to planets like Venus. Early prototypes, such as Pathfinder 1 and Solar Airship 1, have already demonstrated that long, eco-friendly flights are possible here on our planet, proving that these ambitious ideas are practical and achievable. With designs that focus on vertical takeoff, zero emissions, and solar power, these futuristic airships could transform the way humanity reaches space. They offer the potential to make space travel routine, sustainable, and accessible, opening up a new era of exploration where journeys to the stars are cleaner, safer, and far more affordable than ever before. If you want, I can also make a version that includes the Aubot X2 humanoid part in the same flowing narration, so it's ready to record. Do you want me to do that?